Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Hana. In this video, I will continue the series of Laravel RESTful API video. In the previous video, we have making Laravel RESTful API, and now I will make a video on how to consume API in Flutter. So the first step is I open the VS Code and then I ctrl shift P, Flutter new project for making a new project of Flutter. And then for the name is Laravel Flutter. And the project will be installed like this. And now I want to open the terminal for adding the package of Google Font. And now I want to add for provider. And for the rest, I want to add for HTTP. After like this, I add a new folder of the name is assets. And then this is I uncomment. And then I want to copy this name and I paste in here. After this, I want to copy this image to this folder asset. So in the folder asset, there is people.png image. And you should install the extension for Flutter like this, these two extension, and then the extension Dart. After this, I want to run this project of Flutter using Windows. And waiting. So this is I have to run. And now we will make for front end. Now I want to add a new folder, models, and new file, mahasiswa model.dart, and new folder again, providers, and in provider folders there's mahasiswa provider.dart files, and I add new folder again, service, and in service there is mahasiswa service.dart file. After this, I add a new folder, pages, and in the pages there is homepage.dart, and I make for stateful. I using STF, and then I wait, and this is I enter, and I change to homepage, and this is the comment I delete, and then this code that I block. This is the code I block is I delete until the end, and there is and I homepage this I use, and then return scaffold I change. I add for background color is color.gray and shadow 13, and I use upper, and I want to change the name to be mahasiswa, and then I want to make the font using Poppins, and for textile for making decoration for text like font size is 24, and for body I use save area, and I use padding, so will be space. I use symmetric padding, so there is space in horizontal 12 and for vertical is 10. And then under the padding I add child container and I add margin and I add margin bottom, and with use media query of context. And for the height is 130. And border radius I add is circular 10. And book shadow I add book shadow again, for the color is gray. And I add opacity 0.2 and I do radius and I add offset also. And now I add child for row. For the card I use clip break child. I want to insert the image, the people.png, and for the width is 100. And now I want to add concise book. Concise book is like forward facing, like so there is space like width, or we can use height too. And now I add column and I add cross axis and my axis alignment, and I add children, text mahasiswa, and I add style like Google font. I use Popin for the font. And for the color is gray. And font size is 12. And now I add for size box again, so there is space between the text. Now I copy, I change like this, so this is for the front end. And now I will make for model. We open JSON to Dart and we generate and we copy Dart, and now we paste it to the mahasiswa model file. After this we add for mahasiswa service. We use filter and get mahasiswa async for URL. So URL is the URL of the Laravel. So we should open the Laravel first. The Laravel in the previous project, in the previous video. we made. We use PHP artisan serve, and we we copy this URL, and we paste to this URL. And now for headers, accept like for an application JSON. Like in the Postman, we use accept application JSON too. And then I add for response, wait, HTTP get, and URL, and headers. And now this mahasiswa service, we change to be mahasiswa model. And now we will import package for HTTP. And bring response body. If a response status code 200 or success, we will displaying the data. And we return model, and else throw exception gagal. And this is for mahasiswa service. And now we move to the mahasiswa provider. We type class mahasiswa provider, and with change notifier, and we type list mahasiswa model, and this mahasiswa model get mahasiswa as mahasiswa, and set mahasiswa list, and notify listener, and this is for bool get is loading, and set is loading bool data, and notify listeners, and we type feature void, and it's loading, we make it true, and await mahasiswa service get mahasiswa, then value, and it's loading. I want to make it false, mahasiswa value and catch error if error throw exception gagal. And we go to the main. We add this code. You can just type what I type. I use your return multi-provider. Change notify provider, create context. And I add child and this I cut to be this. And now I want to edit the homepage .dart file. First, we add this code in here, call it instead. And we make forget data async await future delay, so the data will be displayed with delay and duration 1 second. Await provider mahasiswa provider. Get mahasiswa. And now we change, edit this homepage data. Again, we add get data. And this I add mahasiswa provider. Provider of context. And this I up on refresh get data and child list view and children. I use mahasiswa provider mahasiswa and map. And this I cut in here like this. And now I want to make the code is using shift-ctrl-f, shift-alt-f. And this I edit to be the data in the database using e.name and e.none. So this is the data was displayed same as the database, like this. So the data is the same. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.